Congratulations and happy welcome to the U class Odia medium class, and you see it is the series 10 series number 3 episode. So welcome all to the episode number 3 of 10 series, that is use of present progressive. The structure is subject plus ijamar plus verb plus ing. This is the present number 2. In Odia mu khauchi, तुम मन पढ़ुच, पिलाटी सोईछि. So all are in continuous process. So such type of sentence belong to present number 2. Mu खाए present number 1. खाउछि present number 2. So in present progressive the work is going on. So it is called as continuous, present continuous or present progressive. The work is on continuous process. So in which situations we use present progressive, let's discuss. So number 1, happening now. The first point is happening now. That means the incident which is happening at the time of speaking. In that situation we use present progressive. That is subject plus ijamar plus verb plus ing. For example, we are learning English grammar. Because now we are learning grammar. So it is in progressive. The work is going on. So it is happening now. Now it is not raining. We can use it negative. It is not raining now. So it is present progressive. That is happening now. Come to the second point. There is a not happening now. It is not continuing at the time of speaking, but it is happening over a period of time. It is a gap of about a certain gap. For example, I am building a house in my village. At the very moment, now the work is not going on. Now I am not building the house. Now I am teaching you. But the work is coming, or the work is in continuous process with some gap of time. So mu ghare ba mu gaare gote ghar tiyari karuchi, se tango gaare gote mandir tolauchanti. So such type of sentences are happening over a period of time. So such type of situation we use present progressive. So 2 points have already been discussed. Use number 1, happening now, again happening over a period of time. Then come to third point, that is temporary action. For temporary action we use present progressive. That is subject plus ijamar plus verb plus ing. What is temporary action? You see, in permanent state we use present simple, but in temporary action we use present progressive. Suppose the girl always sits in the front, but today she is sitting in the back. So that is temporary action. Always she sits, that is permanent, but today she is sitting in the back. So that is temporary action. And come to next point, that changing situation or changing condition. Parivartita paristhiti, we use present progressive. For example, the population of the world is rising very fast. The population of the world is rising. The condition of the patient is worsening. The condition of the patient is worsening day by day. The word worsening, it comes from the adjective worse. If you add en, it becomes verb worsen, then plus ing, worsening. The condition of the patient is worsening day by day. So this is changing situation. Then come to another point, that is always in bad sense or unpleasant situation. Always in bad sense. I have already told you that only in the case of word always we use present simple, but that is in good sense. If always is good sense, we use present simple. But if always is in bad sense, we can't use present simple. We use present progressive. For example, his wife always goes to temple in good sense, present simple is used, but his wife is always quarreling with her husband. This is, you see, that's in bad sense. It's good sense we use present simple, but always in bad sense we use present progressive. My TV is always going disorder. My computer is always going disorder. सब बेल खराब हो मो टीवी टा. So it's a bad sense. So always in bad sense. In that case we use present progressive, not present simple. It is called unpleasant situation. So changing condition in unpleasant situation. If you make it, divide it, then you see first two happening now, happening over a period of time. Then temporary action, changing situation or changing condition. Then always in bad sense. And the last but not the least is planned future. In case of fixed future, we use present simple. Just like our examination begins in the month of April, our school reopens in the month of January. So that is official fix up. It is fixed future. But in planned future, which is personal plan or arrangement, we use present progressive. For example, we are visiting Puri next week. आमे सप्ताह जाऊँ पुरी तुम जीव कि आमे जाऊँ. There is a plan, there is a program, there is arrangement. So in such case of personal arrangement, we use present progressive. Number 2, subject plus is plus verb plus ing. So in these cases, these 6 points we have to remember that we use for the use of present progressive. The subject plus is plus verb plus ing. Now let us see in which cases present progressive is not used. We have already discussed in which cases present progressive is used. Now we see in which cases present progressive can't be used. For example, you see, mu khauchi, present progressive, I am eating. Mu lekhuchi, I am writing, present progressive. Kintu mu dekhuchi. Can you use I am seeing? No. For what? Because see is a verb which is not used in progressive form. I can't say I am seeing, I am liking. I can't say it. So see is a non-progressive verb. So in this contest, we are going to discuss which verbs are called non-progressive verb that we cannot use in present progressive. So present progressive subject plus is plus verb plus ing can't be used in this case. We can't say I am seeing. But ing can be added to see. ता माने नु जे सी रे आम ing बसई परिबा नाही. कोड बसईबा अन्य जगह seeing a tiger I became afraid. In that case it's correct. But in progressive form, is plus verb plus ing cannot be used in this case. So let's see in which verbs we can't use progressive. They are called non-progressive verb. Right? Now you see, is there any map? Is there any map? No. Perhaps you have lost the map. Map is very essential article for study. But you have no maps. So I want to give you a tips, that is map lost. Map lost. Manachitra hajigala. So for such tips you can use or you can know in which verbs include two or non-progressive verbs. You see, map is a word, then lost. For first word M, it is mental activities verb. Mental activities verb we can't use present progressive. You see, for example, remember. तुमे मने रखुच. You remember, not you are remembering. Similarly, forget. Mu bhuli, I am forgetting. No. So remember, you forget. Hope. I hope. Mu asa karuchi. Not I am hoping. I hope. So such type of words or verbs belong to non-progressive. So it is called mental activities verb. So from map lost, is the first letter M, which refers to mental activities. So remember, forget, hope, they belong to mental activities, so we can't use present progressive. Clear? Number 2, second letter A for appearance. For appearance verb, we can't use present progressive. Appear, झीटी सुंदर देखा जाउछि. The girl looks beautiful. हम कहते the girl is looking. It seems, जଣା पड़ुछि. Looks, देखा जाउछि. So it's appear verb. Your appear, look, resemble, such type of verbs belong to appearance. So such type of verb we can't use present progressive. So always present simple. Instead of present progressive, we use present simple in such cases. Number 3 is P for possession. For possession we can't use present progressive. Possession or possess or अच्छी, have, your possess, belong or belong to or contain, consist. So these verbs belong to possession. So possession verb cannot be used in present progressive. We can't use I am having, I am owning or I am possessing. No, I possess. Correct? So it is possession. Then next word, like, L for liking. You see the tip is map lost, M for mental activities, A for appearance, P for possession, then L for liking. The liking verb we can't use present progressive. Like, like, you dislike, love, then hate. So these are liking verb, like, dislike, love, hate, you prefer, admire, want. These are liking verb. Liking verb we can't use. Very good example you see, I love you. It's a very good example. So कौन ओडिया कहूँ मुझे भल पाऊँची कहूँ I am loving you. No, I love you. So I love you grammar बुझ. I love you हर कारण होची love is the liking verb. Similarly hate. So कहूँ I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. So कहूँ I am hating you, I am hating you, I am hating you. Can you say? No. So I love you, I hate you because they are belong to liking verb. So like, dislike, love, hate, prefer, admire, want, these belong to liking verbs. In such cases, we can't use present progressive. So I say, I love you. Right? Then come to other verbs. Some other verbs are there, like depend, weigh, your cost, your measure. These verbs, they come under other verbs which are not used in present progressive. Clear? Then last S for sense verb. You see there are 5 sense organs. Sense organs, that example I see you, not I am seeing. See belongs to mental activities verb. Sorry, sense verb. See, hear, smell, taste and feel. You see 5 organs are there. See, akhi, see, then hear, then smell, then taste and feel. These 5 sense verbs, they belong to non-progressive category. For sense organs, we can't use present progressive. So I see, I hear, I smell. So there is a difference between see and look. Mu dekhuchi, I see, kintu I am looking he paribo. I am seeing he pariboni, I am looking he paribo. I hear habo, I am listening habo. I am hearing he pariboni, kintu I am listening he paribo. Kahinki, what is the difference between see and look? See, jaha ma akhi agar paduchi, ame dekhi paruchi, no chahile bhi dekha jibo amuka akhi ki. That is see. Kintu looking, goli ki chahunchu, kon hala se ki hoisi. I am looking intentionally when I want to look. That is look verb. So see and look. Similarly, hear and listen. Hear, if you don't want to hear anything, suppose at the time of teaching, a big sound is there. So you must hear it because it is your sense organ that attracts the sound. But listen when we intentionally want to hear what he says. रेडियो आम शुणुचे इंटेंशनल शुणुचे दैट इज लिसन नॉट हियर दिस डिफरेंस बिटवीन हियर एंड लिसन एंड यू सी दिस सेंस organs or sense verbs you see hear smell taste and feel we use present simple instead of present progressive. Then last but not the least, that is T for thinking. For thinking verb you think, you believe, विश्वास करुछि, I am believing, believe, think, चिंता कर विश्वास करुछि, I know, understand, mind, they belong to thinking verb. You see thinking and mental activities are something same. Thinking and mental activities मानसिक कार्यकलाप क्रिया एवं चिंता करिवार क्रिया प्राय समान. सो मेंटल एक्टिविटीज जोटा आम हाथ गोड़े जो कम करुचे सेठी आम प्रोग्रेसिव करवा मुंडे जो कम हो बुझुची तो बुझुच तो तुम्हें बुझुच 2 नंबर हम यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कह कि डू यू अंडरस्टैंड कहीं तुम्हें बुझुच यू अंडरस्टैंड प्रेजेंट सिंपल सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब देन व्हेन वी मेक इट इंटरोगेटिव then auxiliary comes first. If there is no auxiliary we use do, does or did. So in you understand, in this sentence do is there. So do you understand? Thank you. I feel you all understand my points and I think my class is fruitful if you all understand the use of present progressive, the subject plus ijamar plus verb plus ing. If you want, we will continue the series serially. Tense number 1, what is the difference between tense and time? In series 2, we have discussed the use of present simple, and series 3, we discussed about present progressive and non-progressive verb. Thank you very much. With a lot of thanks for liking, sharing and comment. Thank you very much.